Ya le he dicho, now está arrancar. A new day. Me ha dicho,
Now starts a new day.
Now is begin a new day. Good morning, sunshine.
Toast and jamon in the kitchen. It's 10 to 9 in the morning. It was rain. Well, it's a little bit of a drizzle right now. Let's get out into the countryside. I've decided to do a short stage today to stay at this brand new albergue that looks fantastic, and break up the stage to Lugo because I want to sightsee in Lugo, and if I go all the way there today, I'm not going to have time. Countryside and country road. Buen camino, good way. Chapel with some snow picking up there. I'm going to climb up to a high point. Camino de Santiago sign, and you are here. This road is parallel to the highway. I don't know why, but there's two options here. There's an old way and then they made a new way. So this marker says go that way. Some people are pretty adamant, don't go. Black spray paint crew is like, yes, go this way. Oh, I don't know, man. What's better? Okay, so this way has the village, and you pop into Castro Verde. That's my coffee break spot. This way, you get some trees. I don't know, a church, some nice building. Okay, well, I want to see the nice building stuff, so I'm going to go Villa Bade. So, let's go this way. Maybe some nature trails up in there. It is misty. Can't see too far ahead. Talk about spooky. Galicia is known for its witches. Some more great trail turnoffs. I bet you could hunt some fantastic mushrooms up in there. Camino is well marked on this route, even with the fog, so it's kind of impossible. Turning out of the forest. There's a nice rock. I was doing some work on my phone walking slow, so this crew caught up to me. Picnic area, a little stage, and nice photo op in the forest. Pretty church in the forest with all the falling leaves. Nice porch over there, but locked up. Let's get back to the Camino. Whoa, there's a big, thick cobweb. I almost walked right into it. Can you see it on the camera? Ah! Boing. Oh crap, now I got it on my hiking pole. That was dumb. Whatever. I can handle one cobweb. Entering the village. Big church in town. I preferred the little forest one more. And this is also a very, very nice looking building. And then we got the trio down there, all taking photos of the front of the church. But I really think I have the best angle up here. It's been a great morning so far with no rain. Woohoo! You know, I'm kind of sad they don't have an info board talking about the church. Guess I'll have to try and look up some information online because it is a very, very cool looking design. Pretty red house, and I like the bird detailing on the iron gate. You have anything to say to me now, dog? Oh, we're friends, aren't we? Hey, more birds on the gate. Hi, hola. Hi, cutie. Here we go. Turkey. Turkeys. It's almost American Thanksgiving. And chickens, well, roosters. Oi, Albergue on the edge of town. Time to find a bar for a coffee. Oh, Camino Cafe and Bar. They got techno going on in Cafe O Camino for Dancing. It's like a club in here. One. Dance.
Yo, moi?
Dance.
Oui, c'est moi.
We're all doing the planning for the upcoming stages on the Camino. And so I'm going to take a beer. And this is a shout out to Diane. Diane, thank you very much. Estrella Galicia.
Quattro Centenda. Raining. Leaving Castro Verde. Cute little fountain. Here's the town hall and the church. And I guess we're doing a photo, so I better get in there.
I have a rain road beer. A rain roadie.
Just outside of town is a pretty nice picnic area. If there's better weather and you don't want to sit in the bar.
Haha. Yeah. Perfecto. Me gusta.
Hello. Rain. Less than 120 kilometers to go until Santiago, everybody. Stone house, green fields. This is Galicia.
Oh boy, everybody. Look at the water. The water is going. I'm on a bridge. Doing a bridge dance. Da, 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 da.
Water in the wet day. Beautiful.
I have 4 more kilometers. Wow, a little bit foamy, but rain roadie number 2 beer.
Bon camino with the beer. Free in the way. I rarely see this on the Camino paths. It's funny. Some people go in the muck. I can just step over. Blam. And then number 2. Blam. Blam. There we go. Continuing up.
Camino Primitivo. Yeah. Drink some beer.
Little tiny stream here, but there's a stone to help get across. I should have brought more beers. I'm almost out. Wayside cross. Jesus in the top. Santiago in the middle. Sutu de Torres. There's a horse. I'll visit you in a moment. And adorable little church. You're a skinny little horse. Eat up. Valley view. This looks like a place where they used to do laundry, maybe. Yup. Old laundry place. I love small village life. You put your corn in there, but there's only one little corn, well, 2 cobs of corn. Okay, I have a beef with this. This shell is the wrong way. If I'm supposed to be going to the right, then it should be flipped, because this is supposed to represent Santiago, and this is the many different paths that you can take all across Europe from all different directions to get to Santiago. What's up, sun? Sunny days. La 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 la. Oh, goodness gracious. First proper bridge I've crossed in a while. Mucky stream. What's on this side? Another mucky stream.
What's the Camino got to do with it? I'm on a bridge, doing a bridge dance.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Hey boys! Da-da-da! Wonderful. Hola, vacas. Dairy cows. Thanks for all the chocolate. Oh, you're so soft. Hi, bye, puppy. Just chatting with this farmer. Shook his hand. He was telling me about the albergue that's up here. Very, very nice. Oh, puppy. Do you want more pets? Do you want more pets? Oh, can I take you with me? You're the sweetest. Ah, cows. Who is this in the middle of the road? Hi, kitty. Are you a sweet one? Oh, yeah, you love being pet, don't you, little kitty?
¿Qué pasa? Así. Mira, pasa en tu lado, Así. Así. Mira, Así. Así.
That's a weird way to pet a cat.
The cat.
The cat. El gato. Cactus. Oh yeah, everybody. Cocina de Muniz, Albergue Claristo. Wow, they have this nice outdoor area. Beautiful. Un perro. That's the cathedral. They are a new albergue. Let me make my mark. Kitchener, Waterloo, Canada. No one has tagged it. Blah. Right there. This is the bottom room. I love it. So cute, so adorable. Big, comfy sitting area. More beds. I'm gonna take that bed. Jose is here. Laundry room, where you also put your shoes. Bathrooms. Let's check out the ladies. It's a little bit chilly in this hallway. Oh, as soon as I come into this room, everything is heated. Wow, nice shower. Here is the kitchen. We have a table and sitting area. Fully equipped. Wow, and even an oven too. There's fire going in there. Oh, and musical instruments if you play. And if you'd like to sit outside, there is also a patio.
So I just had to shower and I couldn't figure out how the knob works. So I'm gonna film it for you later and show you how to do it. And I was yelling over to the boys' side, but no agua, come here, vamos. But then they explained in Spanish and I finally figured out how to work it. It was hilarious.
These are my groceries I've been carrying around. I'm going to take advantage of them. Look how much chocolate I have. It's a little bit ridiculous.
Aquí tiene vajilla.
Baji, fiesta.
Y se llama Walnut.
La forma. Para hacer la forma.
Sí.
Así.
No sabes,
Sí.
es un complicado la cola.
Ahora hago así.
Pa. Pa, pa, pa. Hola, vacas. Oh. All the cows are waiting for their dinner.
Here comes dinner.
Farm dog. This dog is I don't know where he's going. But I'm gonna move right out of the way.
Walking around doing a bit of exploring in this area. Had a really long chat with that farmer, all in Spanish. My terrible Spanish. But it It was super fun, super great. This is why I love the small villages, the people that you meet, interesting characters and big smiles. Beer time! Cheers! Cheers!
No, tampoco escuchamos numeroso, O grande desde
Oh
luego, no.
boy!
¿Quieres que lo eche yo desde aquí? Ya está, que esto no lo ahora.
How good does this soup look?
Es churro ice.
Wow!
Es de fridge, ¿no?
Americanos.
Dessert is cheese and quince. I like both of these things and they taste really nice together.
¿Cómo lo ves?
Like wow, what a great meal.
Vas a encontrar muchas malas.
Chestnuts taste a lot better when they're cooked.
This wonderful tray of roasted chestnuts
Se nos ha olvidado
on an open fire.
que antes de que vinieran las patatas